Hello everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. We know that choosing the right control panel for your hosting environment can be as complicated as choosing your web hosting provider. That's precisely why we're looking at SPanel, a comprehensive and all-in-one cloud hosting platform and control panel designed to make your life easier. Join us as we analyse its features, customer support and pricing to help you figure out whether SPanel is right for you. Don't forget to check out our website at bestreviews.net for more information on this service. Now, over to you, Raissa.
SPanel is intuitive from the get-go, with helpful pop-ups that walk you through the platform, setting you up for success. Adding your domains and creating a new account is a breeze. Just enter your domain, choose a username and password, and what features the account can access, and you're done. Now comes the fun part: configuring your hosting environment. We found this process straightforward since the clean and organized control panel makes it easy to navigate. All the features you need are on the toolbar, divided into 3 sections: server management, account management, and software. SPanel supports Softaculous, Joomla, and WordPress Manager as a one-click installer and offers a wide range of APIs. If you want to maintain a cohesive brand identity, SPanel lets you upload your own logo and customize the control panel's appearance to match your branding. This completely replaces SPanel's branding to make the platform appear like an extension of your own company. The control panel also shines in its comprehensive management capabilities, providing control over emails, domains, SQL databases, websites, and much more with just a single click. SPanel is a versatile platform designed to simplify website management. It lets you quickly create WordPress websites and manage multiple sites under one or more accounts. With a forum where you can ask and vote for new features, SPanel also ensures that web developers and hosting users are able to shape the platform's features based on actual needs. While it may support fewer web servers than some competitors, its comprehensive options such as Apache set it apart. Plus, high-performance web servers such as Lightspeed and Web Host Manager help make SPanel an excellent choice for efficiently managing various websites. SPanel also makes it easy to manage email at the drop of a hat, handling all inboxes, forwarders, autoresponders, and filters for all your domains from a single interface. Plus, you can check your webmail from any device with internet access. Soaring beyond the basics, SPanel offers advanced control over cron jobs, PHP management, and FTP users, helping you automate tasks, configure settings, and manage file transfers effortlessly. Plus, the user management tool in the control panel is incredibly useful. It allows you to safely grant access to additional users, specifying which features and sections of the hosting environment each can access, and giving total control to the admin account. SPanel also stands out in terms of security and performance. Its advanced security system blocks 99.98% of known attacks in real time, including brute force and malware. Additional security tools include Spam Assassin to filter unwanted emails and brute force protection to block repeated login attempts. Another great addition is SPanel's seamless integration with Let's Encrypt, providing free SSL certificates for every domain and subdomain with automatic renewals. Wildcard certificates are also supported for comprehensive coverage. SPanel takes data safety seriously. It offers daily automated or on-demand backups, and you can choose to store the backups locally or on a remote FTP server. You can also easily view, download, or restore files and SQL databases. Since you're not locked to any hosting provider, SPanel can add a management layer to your control panel, turning a self-managed VPS plan into a fully managed service with just a few clicks. SPanel's pricing structure is simple, making it extremely easy to find the right plan. You can opt for managed or self-managed plans, each available in 3 tiers: Entry, Pro, and Agency. The main difference between these packages is the number of accounts you can manage, which is perfect for various business sizes. If you're experienced and prefer to deal with everything yourself, the self-managed plans will be right up your alley. Those who prefer more support and hands-on assistance will prefer the managed plans. What's great is that you can try out SPanel risk-free through its 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, you can get a discount of up to 30% on the first 3 months by using our exclusive coupon code BESTREVIEWS. SPanel shines when it comes to customer support. With agents available 24/7, you can get help anytime via live chat, tickets, or email. During our testing, the support team proved to be responsive and quickly answered our queries. But it doesn't stop there. SPanel also offers a considerable knowledge base packed with guides, FAQs, and tutorials. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or diving into advanced features, this resource has you covered. Meanwhile, SPanel's YouTube channel provides a variety of tutorials covering everything from initial setup to managing your environment, quickly helping you become a pro at using the platform.
Thanks, Haisa. SPanel makes managing websites as easy as 1, 2, 3 with its fully managed customizable control panel. Security is taken very seriously with excellent features such as S-Shield, which blocks 99.98% of known attacks. Users can also keep their data safe with daily backups that can be configured for how often and where they're stored. Plus, SPanel's customer support is available 24/7 with agents always ready to help. The flip side is that SPanel is not yet available through many web hosting providers. But if you're looking for a powerful, user-friendly control panel with top-notch security and reliable support, SPanel is still worth checking out. Its managed plans are perfect for web hosting beginners needing more support. If you want to discover more about SPanel, check out our comprehensive written review at bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!